In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nordvpn on a PC. Using a VPN is a fantastic way to ensure your online privacy and security. And Nordvpn is one of the leading services out there, so let's get started on setting it up on your computer. First, you'll want to open the Nordvpn app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head over to the Nordvpn website and download the Windows version. Once installed, find the Nordvpn app on your desktop or in your Start menu and open it. As the app loads, it might ask you to log in, so be prepared to enter your credentials if you haven't done so already. Having the app open gives you access to the main dashboard where all the magic happens. Once you're inside the app, the next step is to connect to a server. On the Nordvpn dashboard, you will see a large map that highlights regions around the world. You can zoom in and out or use the search function to find a specific country. Clicking on a country pin will automatically connect you to the best server available in that region. Keep in mind that your choice can depend on what you're trying to achieve. For instance, connecting to a server outside of your country might give you access to geo-restricted content. Now that you're connected, let's move on to clicking on threat protection. This is an incredibly useful feature that Nordvpn offers, going beyond just masking your IP address. By clicking on the threat protection button found in the app menu, you open a whole new layer of security. This feature is designed to protect you from ads and malware by automatically blocking them, making your browsing experience not just private, but safer too. The last step is to enable this feature if it's not already turned on. Once you have clicked on the threat protection button, ensure that the feature toggle is in the on position. When this feature is enabled, it works in the background as you browse, providing real-time protection from dangerous web entities. You shouldn't notice any lag in your internet speed, so don't worry about it affecting your online activities. And there you have it. You've just learned how to set up and use Nordvpn on your PC, connecting to a server, and enabling important security features like threat protection. This tool not only provides an extra layer of security, but also gives you access to content across the globe with ease. Navigating the world of VPNs might have seemed daunting at first, but with Nordvpn, it becomes much simpler. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Catch you in the next tutorial.